hey, hey! Hi, 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 hi! Yeah, 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 yeah! Yeah, you heard it right. Basta Radyo, ibandera mo! Mga baby, mga tropa, mga kamag-anak, mga kaibigan. Hey, what up? Kamusta po kayong lahat? How you guys doing? Are you doing fine? Ako, I'm doing fine. How about you? Very fine. Alright. So, kamusta? It's Monday again. Naku, Lunes na Lunes, no? Lunes na Lunes! Sana'y magandang inyong Lunes. Sana'y magandang panimula ng inyong week. Ang panimula ng inyong week ay malakas, hindi weak. Sana nga. Kamusta mga tropa? Kamusta mga kaibigan natin dyan? Ayos ba? Yan. I hope you guys are doing fine. So, let's start the week right. Let's start it with Radyo Bandera 107.1 FM, News FM that is, coming to you live from Casa Gilda Resort in Tabacuhan, Olongapo City. Okay? We are at the Holy Spirit Village in Tabacuhan. Okay? Medyo malaki ang Tabacuhan eh. Alam mo, pag sumakay ka ng jeep, ang jeep ng Tabacuhan, yung may blue and yellow. Oh, parang Ninja Turtle. Yun, ganoon. Okay? Pag sumakay ka ng jeep ng Tabacuhan, pagbaba mo sa Tabacuhan, medyo maluwag-luwag yan eh. Medyo malaki yan eh, no? So, sabihin mo sa pwede ka sumakay ng tricycle, sabihin mo saan nga ba? Sa barangay, no, not barangay. Holy Spirit Village. Yun, doon matatagpuan ang Casa Gilda Resort. Yan, kung saan pwedeng mag-check-in, pwedeng ganapin ang mga birthdays. Meron tayong 2 function room na available para sa inyo. Yeah. Tama ba ako? 2, no? 2 yung function room natin, ano? Dito sa Casa Gilda Resort. Am I right, Ate Giselle? We have 2 function rooms, tama? Kung saan pwedeng mag-birthday party, yung wedding reception, pagkatapos ng wedding, dito nyo naganapin yung party. Yan, pwede, di ba? Tapos, diretso, check-in na, di ba? Dito na rin ninyo ganapin yung wedding. Kung gusto niyo, wedding by the pool. O, pwede rin, di ba? We are here for you. Tapos, pagka magpapa-advertise kayo ng ano man yung business ninyo, yan, pwedeng avail the packages. Pagkatapos nyo mag-avail ng package ng Radyo Bandera, diretso swimming na. O, kami lang ang nag-o-offer ng ganyan. may libreng swimming pool. O, pagkatapos ng pag-avail ng packages, di ba? O, social, no? May narinig na kayong ganyan? Wala pa, no? Kami lang, no? Yeah. All right. All right. Okay. So, pasensya na po, medyo na-delay tayo today dahil we had a couple of technical difficulties kanina, no? Medyo nagkaroon ng problema. Yung mga ganyang technical difficulties, kaya medyo nag-overtime ng konti si Doc Kenneth Salvatus. Ayan. Ang kanyang programang kung tawagin ay May Katok. May katok si Doc Kenneth dahil may kausap siya. Yun ibig sabihin noon, ha? Ayan. Naku, hindi ko pa nagagawa yung utang ko kay Doc Kenneth. Sabi ko gagawin ko ng Radio Stinger yung program niya eh. Ayan, ang hirap kasi, pasensya na ha, dahil alam mo na I do an office hour job Monday to Friday, 8 to 5. Ayan. Tapos may mga gig pa tayo. Kaya I can hardly, find the time. Pero yeah, I'll do my best. Magagawa din natin 'yan. Okay, anyways, welcome once again. Monday edition of this radio show. It's called Bandera Night Jams with DJ Tommy G. Okay? And of course, as usual, whenever we do this program, laging panimula natin yung today's holidays and observances and also the famous birthdays din, of course. Okay, so let's do just that. What's going on for today? July 7, July 7. Do you guys know? Eto, maraming may gusto nito. Do you guys know? Ang July 7 is World Chocolate Day. Wow. Okay, paborito ng marami. Ako, I admit, I myself is a big chocolate fan. Big fan. Hello, chocolate. Big fan. DJ Tommy G. Big fan. Ayan. Okay. Lalo na yung dark chocolate. Okay? Kasi, dark chocolate is good for you. Mataas kasi yung cacao content niyan. Tapos less sugar, kaya nga mapait-pait siya, di ba? Hindi masyado matamis. Okay? So chocolate is healthy according to scientists. You know why? Alam niyo ang raw materials ng chocolate? The cacao fruit from the cacao tree. So there you have it. Fruit, di ba? So it's fruit. It's organic. So it's good. It's good for you. Yan, gawa sa sa prutas ng punong kakao ang chocolate kung tawagin, chocolate. Hello, sound check. Ano yung narinig kong malakas? Ito ba yun? Ito. Okay. Ayan, so still couple of technical mambo jambos pa rin. Okay. Yeah, going back to today's holidays and observances, World Chocolate Day. What else? July 7 is also Global Forgiveness Day. Uy, wow. Oo nga naman, maganda yan. Global Forgiveness Day. If everybody would just, know how to forgive, di ba? Patawarin niyo yung mga ganito yan, yung mga nagkamali sa inyo, yung mga gumawa ng masama, gumawa ng mali. Forgive niyo na lang. Okay? Pwede niyo naman silang iwasan na kung gusto niyo. Pero let go of what they did. You know why? Yung mga gumawa ng mali sa'yo, yung mga gumawa ng hindi tama sa'yo, in the end, ang sisira din sa pagkatao nila is yung maling ginawa nila sa'yo. Do you get it? Diba? Silang may ginawang hindi tama sa'yo. Therefore, ikaw na walang ginawa, diba sabi nga, whatever you do in this world, it will come back. Sabi pa nga, paboritong saying pa nga ito nung yung isang gumawa sa akin ng mali. Whatever you do, the universe will, give it back to you 10,000 fold, sabi niya. Well, sige, hintayin natin. Yun nga yung sabi nung isang I forgot his name eh. Yan, isa siyang philanthropist, isa siyang poet. Sabi niya, whatever wrong people did to you, just let it go. Because the wrong thing that they did, that's the one that will destroy them in the long run, sooner or later. Okay? So tatandaan niyo yan, ha? So sabi nga, di ba, yung mga may kasalanan daw sa'yo, anong sabi? Di ba ipagdasal mo? Ako lagi ko pinagdadasal eh. Lord, sana madapa. Nah, I'm just kidding. Yeah, okay. For those who find it weird, medyo late na tayo nag-start. Medyo alanganin na. Pasensya na po again. We had a couple of technical difficulties kanina. Pero yeah, we're back on air now and umi-air tayo. Live na live. Live din sa Facebook, of course. You guys can check it out. Facebook Live of Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM. Okay, going back to today's holidays observances. Aside from today being Global Forgiveness Day, Tell the Truth Day, ang July 7. Oh, in case you don't know, ha? Hindi nyo alam yan, ano? Okay. I like this one. I'm a big fan of rock and roll kasi. National Day of Rock and Roll! Sige, dahil National Day of Rock and Roll, puro rock and roll yung patugtugin natin. Kahit gabi na, okay lang ba, mga tropa? National Day of Rock and Roll naman. Di pagbigyan natin, di ba? Parang pag birthday mo, di ba? Pinagbibigyan ka, birthday mo eh. Pagbigyan natin yung rock and roll. Okay, patugtugin natin. Because it's National Day of Rock and Roll today, July 7. I didn't knew that. Hindi ko alam. July 7 pala is National Day of Rock and Roll. Okay, so there you have it. Just a few holidays and observances for today. And for those who are celebrating their birthdays, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Birthday talaga, no? Yun ang sabi ng kumakanta. Birthday to you, happy birthday. Okay, celebrities and the likes famous people celebrating their birthdays today. You will find out sino-sino yung mga sikat na nagbo-birthday ngayon. Uy, si Maria Venus Raj. Okay, you guys still remember Venus Raj? She represented the country in an international beauty competition. And then she became a model. Yan. Filipino model siya ngayon. Next up, we have, si Idol Lou Salvador, oh. Sinong nakakakilala kay Lou Salvador? You know, he scored big. He holds the record. Well, this is something that we Filipinos should be proud of. He is among those who holds the record for scoring the most baskets in a basketball game. Yan. Pero matagal na to matagal na. Tayo pa yung pinaka-dominant sa Asia nung time na yon sa basketball. Di ba? Lou Salvador was born July 7, 1905. And siya rin yung pinaka-root 3 ng mga Salvador na artista. Yan, sila Philip Salvador, sila Maha Salvador. Yan. He's also a stage actor and became a talent manager. As a player of the Philippine national basketball team during the 1923 Eastern Games, he scored, eto lang naman 116 points in a single game, being one of the few basketball players to have scored over 100 points in a single game. Ilan lang yan sa buong mundo? Diyos ko, sus Mariosep. Si Will Chamberlain nga, 100 sakto lang eh. Eto, may plus 16 pa siya kay Will Chamberlain, no? Ganun kalupit to. Tumaman to, no? 116 points doon sa Far Eastern Games noon na later on naging Asian Games. Yan. Okay? Yung mga hindi nakakaalam, ha? Now you know. Sinong idol nyo? Sila, di ba? Sila Jordan, sila LeBron, sila Kobe Bryant. Have they scored over 100? Never. This dude, he overdid it. 116 points. Okay? Nasa record books talaga to dahil Far Eastern Games yun noon no? Lou Salvador, Filipino, scoring champion, idol. Okay? Who else do we gotta greet? Sino pa ba? Let me check. May mga notable names pa ba that's celebrating their birthdays today? Si Kuya John Lapus, Filipino actor, host, and comedian. Okay, magaling magpatawayan si John Lapus. Nakakatuwa siya. Actress Maricar de Mesa. Ayan, si actress Maricar de Mesa. Siya ba yung Siya ba yung may controversial independent film with Hayden Ko? Tama ba ako? Siya yata yun, Okay, let's check some other names. Next up, we have also happy birthday to Ringo Starr, the drummer of the Beatles. All right, do you guys know si Ringo before he became the drummer for the Beatles? May nauna sa kanya I forgot his name but yeah, yun muna yung naunang Beatles drummer. I forgot his name. Mamaya pag naalala ko, I'll share it with you. He turns 85 today. Si Ringo Starr. Wow. Okay. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Ringo Starr. Next up, we have drummer Ashton Irwin. Turns 31 today. He is the drummer for the band 5 Seconds of Summer. All right. He turns 31 today. July 7, 1994. His band, that band, 5 Seconds of Summer, is, quite popular nowadays, And next up, we have TV actor Dylan Sprayberry. He turns 27 today. Also, TV actor Christian Camargo. TV actress Lilo Bayer. Honestly, hindi ko sila kilala. Pero nakalagay sa famous celebrants di sige. Okay. Next up, we have also happy birthday to pop singer Cree Summer. All right. And guitarist Sinister Gates turns 44 today. Si Sinister Gates is the lead guitarist of the rock metal band Avenged Sevenfold. All right, they are a good band, Avenged Sevenfold. Comedian Jim Gaffigan, he turns 59 today. If you're not familiar with Jim Gaffigan, he's really, really funny. You guys go check his works on YouTube. Nakakatawa. Ayan, okay? So there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them. All of you. July 7 birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Okay. Text me up 0910-690-9501 or you may, well, call or text me up. Pwede naman. Yeah.